So friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. In this video, I will share you top 10 best meme coins that can be the next big meme coins here. These meme coin has potential to be the next 1000x potential meme coin here. Okay, and still these meme coins are not listed on any major one exchange nor on any tier one exchange. But definitely these meme coin has potential to maybe we can see their listing on Binance exchange in future also. So all these 10 meme coins are very amazing. So video is going to be very special and very important. You have to just watch the complete. Make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. So friends, our first meme coin is spread. Okay, this is the Pepe of the base blockchain. Okay, number one meme coin on base blockchain. Here you can see $0.14 price and its market cap is $1.4 billion already. Okay, already $1.4 billion market cap. And recently KuCoin has listed this meme coin, as I already told you that maybe we can see its magic chain listing soon. So KuCoin has already listed, and I think maybe within month or maybe within 2 months we can see its listing on Binance also, because of his awesome market cap. Here you can see $1.4 billion market cap, $115 million trading volume in last 24 hour. Coin is working on Bass blockchain, so that's awesome. Okay, and here you can see just 11 days ago this meme coin has make its all-time high, and we are 17,000% up in its all-time low. So this is amazing, friends. Okay, coin is already listed on Gate.io, Bitget. Holding this meme coin on Gate.io. Okay, and here you can see recently KuCoin has listed, so maybe Coinbase or Binance can list soon this meme coin. Okay, so Bread can be the next big meme coin here. Okay, no doubt already market cap is $1.4 billion, but definitely this meme coin has potential to maybe we can see its market cap up to 50 billion to maybe $80 billion by the end of this mega run. So friends, our second meme coin is Kukinu coin. This was the first and most famous meme coin on AVAX blockchain, but since long time this meme coin is now sleeping. This is a sleeping giant here. Okay, there's no any major update for this meme coin. Okay, but Kukinu has definitely potential to be the next big meme coin here. When AVAX price will be increased in future, then definitely we can see another hype for Kukinu coin here. You can see coin has currently 5 zeros in price, and its market cap is now below $100 million. Okay, just $96 million market cap, and last 24-hour trading volume is $5 million only. Okay, so you can see coin is working on Everest blockchain, and right now we are 78% down than its all-time high and 1500% up than its all-time low. So this good. Okay, coin is already listed on KuCoin, Get.io. Okay, Bybit, Crypto.com has listed Bitget, but still this meme coin is not listed on Binance, no on Coinbase. But definitely maybe in future when AVAX price will be increased, okay, and we see a massive hype on AVAX chain for meme coin again, then definitely Kukinu is the first meme coin that can perform really amazing, and then definitely Kukinu can list on Binance exchange also. First, the third meme coin is Crow with Knife. This meme coin is working on Chronos chain. That's amazing. A very unique thing about this meme coin. Coin has currently 7 zeros price. Okay, current market cap is $46 million. That's awesome. $612,000 trading volume in last 24 hours. So this amazing. Okay, and you can see working on Chronos blockchain. So that's awesome. We are 60% down in its all-time high and 1500% up in its all-time low. So that's awesome performance for this meme coin. Coin is already listed on crypto.com exchange. Okay, that is centralized exchange, and Bitmart exchange. Okay, these exchanges are already listed this meme coin, but still this meme coin is not listed on many other major and tier 1 exchanges. But definitely this meme coin has potential to maybe we can see its listing on many other central exchanges also. So Crow with Knife. Okay, Car coin can be the next big meme coin here, because every chain is now focusing on meme coins. So whenever we see a massive hype on Chronos chain, then definitely Car coin can perform really amazing here. First, the fourth number meme coin is Maga hit. Okay, this is a Polify meme coin. Okay, and Polify category can be the next big narrative for meme coin industry. So that's why this meme coin can perform really amazing. Coin is currently 3 zeros in price. Current market cap is $93.7 million. That's awesome. Last 24-hour trading volume is $86 million. So this is amazing. That's why maybe we can see its magic chain listing soon here. We are almost 70% down in its all-time high and 425% up in its all-time low. Coin has already killed 10 from its all-time low. So that's amazing. Already listed in MEXC, HTX, BingX, LBank. But friends, definitely we can see its listing on Bybit, KuCoin exchange soon, because this is very awesome Polify category meme coin here. So Maga can be the next $1 billion market cap meme coin, and maybe we can see smart major exchange listings also. Friends, number fifth meme coin is AI Dogecoin, Avdoge, and this is a very unique meme coin because this is the most famous meme coin on Arbitrum blockchain. This meme coin is working on Arbitrum blockchain. That's why this meme coin is very unique, and maybe in future we can see this meme coin to kill at least three zeros here because you can see its market cap is $62 million only. Okay, only $62 million market cap meme coin. Last 24-hour trading value is $10.7 million. That's awesome. Still this meme coin is also not listed on any major exchange, any tier 1 exchange. Okay, OKX, BingX, MEX he has also listed where I'm holding this meme coin also. But maybe Binance, Bybit, KuCoin. Okay, these type of exchanges can also list soon this meme coin because awesome number of holders working on Arbitrum blockchain. That's unique thing about this meme coin. So that's why maybe we can see its magic exchange listing soon here. We are 70% down than its all-time high and 600% up than its all-time low. Coin has already killed 1 0 from its current price, so that's awesome. So friends, this meme coin can be the next big meme coin here. This meme coin has potential to maybe kill three zeros here, and maybe we can see its listing on KuCoin exchange soon here. So friends, number 6 meme coin is Hopi coin. Okay, this meme coin can be the next Pepe, can be the next bread here. Okay, you can see coin is currently 4 zeros in its price. Okay, and right now no one is talking about this meme coin, but this is really a sleeping giant here. And maybe we can see its market cap from just $26 million to maybe 10 to $20 billion in this coming mega bullion here. Okay, because this is very unique meme coin. I can see $3.8 million trading volume in last 24 hours. That's awesome. Okay, and here you can see coin is performed amazing. Okay, within just 2 months this meme coin is pumped by 8700% here, so that's amazing. Coin has already killed 2 zeros from its all-time low. So friends, this is really amazing. Already listed on MEX exchange, then where from I'm soon going to buy this coin. Okay, MEXE, xt.com and La token. Okay, few central exchanges have listed this coin, but very potential meme coin there. Maybe we can see is listing on major exchanges also. Why I'm very bullish about this meme coin, because you can see this is a character based on a book of the Knight Rider. Okay, that published in 2012, and its artist is the artist Sam, who artist of the Pepe Bread. Okay, Mad Free. So that's why, because of this Mad Free name, okay, this meme coin can be the next big meme coin here. Friends, the seventh meme coin is Pipe coin. Okay, recently I make his full details video. Okay, you can see coin is currently 6 zeros in price. Okay, and right now this coin is trending everywhere and everyone is searching about this meme coin. Okay, and you can see $44 million total supply. That's got $9.9 million trading volume in last 24 hours. That's so some coin is working on Ethereum chain. We are right now 60% down than its all-time high, and coin is now trading on nearly its all-time low. That's good. That we can maybe take a good entry in this coin price. Get.io, Bitmart, CoinX, MEXC has also listed this coin, and maybe KuCoin or maybe another major central exchange can list soon this meme coin. This is a Chinese Pepe, and maybe in future we can see this massive hype here, because this meme coin, you can see just 12 days ago launched. So within just 12 days market cap is awesome, trading volume is good. So that's why maybe we can see this major exchange listing soon here. So friends, number 8 meme coin is Bear coin. Okay, recently KuCoin has listed this meme coin. Okay, we are almost 18% down last 24 hours. That's good that we can make a massive entry in this meme coin price. Coin has currently 4 zeros in its price. Okay, market cap is right now $69 million. Last 24-hour trading volume is $152 million. That's good. Coin is working on Solana chain. That's awesome. And right now we are 66% down than its all-time high, 365% up than its all-time low. So that's awesome. Okay, coin has already killed 1 0 from its all-time low. KuCoin, HTX, MEXC, too many central exchanges have listed this meme coin. Okay, and this is also 27 days old only. Okay, only 27 days old meme coin. Okay, so that's awesome, and this meme coin can be the next big meme coin here. Friends, number 9th meme coin is Myro coin. Okay, this meme coin maybe we can see soon on Binance exchange, because already listed on too many central exchanges. Okay, here you can see Myro $0.14 current price. Market cap is now $148 million. Last 24-hour trading volume is $25 million. That's awesome. Okay, and here you can see max supply is only 1 billion coin in circulation, 99 million coins only. So that's awesome. Okay, here you can see as dog theme meme coin on Solana chain. That's awesome. 66% down than its all-time high and 7,000% up than its all-time low. I remember when this meme coin was trending here. Okay, initially launched, I shared this meme coin with you. Okay, and right now this meme coin is 7,000% up than its all-time lows. That's awesome. Coin is already listed on Get.io, Bitget, KuCoin, and definitely we can see it's listing on Binance exchange. Okay, in coming months here. So friends, number 10th and last meme coin is cat with hat. Okay, this meme coin can be the next big meme coin here. You can see 0.6 times $0.82 current price here. Okay, $28 million market cap here, $8.4 million trading volume in last 24-hour. Coin is working on Solana chain, and this meme coin is following dog with hat. Okay, that meme coin is also working on Solana chain, and this meme coin can be the next VIF coin here. Okay, as VIF has give us more than 1500x profit within just 4 to 5 months. So this meme coin can be the next VIF coin here. You can see coin has already killed 2 zeros since its launching, so that's awesome. Since its all-time low, okay, we are 12,000% up in its all-time low, so that's awesome. Okay, this is a cat theme meme coin on Solana chain. Okay, CoinW Bitget has recently listed this coin, and NovaDex has listed this coin, but still this meme coin is not listed on Magic Exchange. So definitely in future maybe we can see its Magic Exchange listing also. So cat with hat. Okay, see if can be the next big meme coin here. Okay, this meme coin can be the next $1 billion market cap meme coin here. So friends, these 10 meme coins are very potential. Okay, and already good market cap, but still low cap meme coin because not listed on major exchanges. But definitely these meme coins have potential to maybe we can see their major exchange listing soon here. And out of 10, maybe I think 5 to 6 meme coins I'm already holding. Okay, but this video is no any paid promotional video or any financial advice video. If you want to invest in these meme coin, make sure to do your own research and then invest here, because I'm not responsible for any of your loss here, because investing in meme coins are highly risky also.